Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the Twitter data. Uh, in this Twitter data, especially we will do our exploration and our data manipulation and all the thing and data visualization using the JSON response using in a Twitter data. So for that we need a some prerequisite to discuss about that. First thing. Uh, Use this Twitter documentation to understand the JSON response, and also to get the JSON response from the Twitter, you follow these steps to get the JSON response. And also, if you are struggling to get the JSON response from the above steps, follow these steps. So better to go open the Firefox browser. Firefox browser is very simple. They will very quickify the response. You can understand the response compared to Chrome or other things. But I prefer the Firefox browser. Okay, here I search the slash we love the earth one trendy. This is one trend. So when you are searching before, press the F12 button. The F12 button, it will open the developer tools. And then click on networking tab. And then use the filter the whatever the response, whatever the domain values, filter with the types and files, filter with the JSON. Here the thing is that I filtered the JSON type here. So if you see this, here the appear here, I'm clearing this one. Again, I'm searching here. Again, I'm reloading the page. Now again the page will be refreshed, and also here also will be reloaded. These are the responses. So on that press the size, sort with the size. Response sort with the size. So there is a take the which is maximum size. So I'm not taking this first one because this is the somewhat is config j.json, but I'm not taking that. I'm taking second one because the second one is preferable. Click on response tab on that. So if we click on that, it will take time to display the JSON response. Yeah, this is the JSON response. To understand the JSON object, if you want what is the entitles and hashtags, better to go to the JSON documentation. Here the JSON documentation. Type here so if you want any information with the JSON object, type here, search here in this JSON dictionary, JSON documentation. So it will give the detailed information about the JSON object. You see, better to read the about JSON object, so you will understand the what we are doing. So this is the simple way. After that, right click on that and get copy all the click on copy all option. So then paste into your mission. So suppose I paste into my notepad++. After that, see this to pitify or so to see this to work on JSON. Please add the JSON plugin to the notepad++. See, I had it. I formatted. So automatically it will format. It will give you all the JSON object in a formatted way. If you want to see the JSON and do the click on format. The global object on the tweets, there is a different tweets out there. Every tweet having its own information and that hashtag, and this is the hashtag name. So this all the information we can check using the Notepad++. So that's it about the to get the JSON response from the web application, JSON web page, and also we have seen the documentation about the Twitter documentation. And if you need more information, please go to the JSON documentation. You will understand what we are doing now. So, and that's it about documentation and getting the JSON response. Next, to work on a JSON, this project, we require a few concepts. One is JSON, how to read the JSON using the Python. This information here, better to go to W3 Schools and read the understand the JSON about the JSON using Python, how to handle the, how to load the file, and how to read those things. It will explain. And also list comprehension is very important. To work on in a list JSON object, we need to have a good understanding on list comprehension. So here, if you see, if you check this one, I already told you that there is a JSON here, Python JSON is there, right? But look at this one. We need to import the JSON library, and we need to have idea of how to read the JSON values using the index or values. So keys, sorry, not the index, it's the keys. So use the keys, how to read the JSON. WSQL is given a good example. Please work on that. Next is the list comprehension. In the list comprehension, we have a list, and there is a list comprehension is there, right? Okay, look at this list comprehension. It is very easy to understand. Please go in detail on this. What is the list comprehension? I'll take the small examples, work on it, so you will get the understanding on list comprehension. And if you are struggling to get the what you call JSON files and from the Twitter, so I will do one thing. I will upload my JSON file and code files to the GitHub. Better to download there, and you can explore on that. Yeah. Then already I told that we are working on data, this data set like Twitter data set today. In a Twitter, we have a topics under the trends and the tweets. This is the hierarchy here. In a tweets, what called, we have a different values are there. As I said, that we have a retweets, favorite, and followers. Lot of information available in that tweets. So we will capture the one tweet, and we will work on today. We will work on one particular tweet. So today I took the two topics. From the two topics, I will fetch the one frequent, which is common trend from the two topics. That is, we love the earth one trend. So we are working today. We are working on this one. So first, and also here I wrote the preliminary investigation. As I said, please install the Notepad++. On top of that, add the JSON viewer plugin, so that as I said, you can see this in this format. And also today we are working on one topic or two topics. This is the topic. If you see this topic, place the cursors on top of the page so that it will format your JSON. So there is a 10, there is a 0 to there are total 50 10s are there. It started 0 and we need 49. Every 10 having its own value. So there is 30 parameters. One is name, URL, promoted underscore content, query, tweet where. First thing is name. This is the name of the trend, and this is the trend. URL. See, up to here, the up to Q is common, but when come to the from percentile, this is the we are calling a query string. Same thing, here the query string is there, right? Say this value appended here. When you are searching a Twitter using this way, using query, we are searching the Twitter. As you seen that here, I search with the this value, right? So up to here, this is the query string. Same thing. You getting my point? Nothing is there. Okay. Up to here, same thing. This is the query string, and also tweet value. This is the most popular. It will tell that which is the most popular tweet. So this is the here up to 3. This one is the more popular than other compared to other tweets. So it's having more. I mean, it is more popular than other tweets. So because it's a big number. Okay, and also when come to the another, this is called tweets. I mean, where this we love the earth.json. This is called tweets. So it contains the different tweets. If you see the one object, there is a entities and metadata, user, feed status, and lot of other information as well. But today we will initially we will do what we will do. First thing, we will examine the language. The language is not my language. What language are they using for tweeting, and what is the most language, and also we will plot that what they are using. I mean, most popular language they are using, and also today I will do source. While tweeting what device they are used. So here they use the Android device. So here where here they are using Android device. So source is Android. Today this also we will plot, and also we will work on certain information. So here what information? So what is the recount? Suppose who someone is tweeting how the retweets occurring for the around the tweet, and who are the favorite tweets, and also how much followers are there for that. Those things we will validate. First thing, to validate that we need a we will capture the that particular person name or particular trend name. So here we have a entities. There is a lot of information is there. So from this users we have the followers count and favorite count is there, right? We will capture these two, and also view status. We will capture the retweet count, favorite count, and also from here entitles and hashtags. There is a name is there. This is that trend name. So we will capture this one, and also we will capture the text also. Here the text is there, right? This text also we will capture, and from this we will develop one data table, so that from the data table we will explore the data table. What is the how many retweets are there, who frequently retweeting, and how much retweet covered, who is familiar in this summon, who are there any relation between retweets and favorite tweets. We will do that. Okay. Yeah, we will go to the next coding part. Yeah, we will work on these questions in this project. First question: find the what are the common trend among the two topics, and explore trend from the common we love the earth, and give me your conclusion. I'm questioning myself. I'm preparing these questions, and find the influence in feeds. Did the retweet occur around a particular feed? More follows, retweet, and favorites. What language they are using for tweets? What device is using more while tweeting? Is there any relation between favorite and retweet? Yeah, these questions we are going to work on now in this project. So let's get started. Yeah, first thing, to work on it, we need to read the data from JSON. So already I downloaded, I copied here my local folder. So that is here. Somewhere in my datasets. So these three datasets, one is the US trends.json is one topic, and www trends.json another topic, and we love the earth is trend. So you understood maybe. Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, go ahead. So first I will read the US trend. US. What is the first? Yeah, we will use the www.trg and ds trends is equal to json dot loads loads, and that open on that view. Here we will copy the data sets slash first my this thing is okay, dot JSON. So something we need to read the ES string also. US also here US. Okay, we write the two trends. Saying that, yeah, sorry, we need to, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, already I wrote the documentation. I forgot to do that. JSON. So JSON. So then I'm loading the JSON and yeah, then I'm prettify the JSON. JSON dot dance. Yeah. What is the here prettify means that we are converting to the JSON server. Better to read the JSON Python. You will understand that in a this case. So we read the JSON and already printed. Yeah. Now if you see this one, we have an array of trend object having the name of the trending topic, the query parameters that can be used to search and for the topic on Twitter search, the search URL and the value of tweet for the last 24 hours. If available, the trends get updated every 5 minutes. This is the documentation I already wrote, because if you see this, so this tweet already search here. This is already this query, using this query we are searching here, and this every 5 minutes this trend will be refreshed. Same thing here, so this here. And also at query time we are using this thing and slash goodbye Friday, and we love the before that we are adding the slash what the trending and WM. These are the trends. If you check this one, first thing before we need to separate here. Slash and slash. Both are combined, right? So there is a in a www trends. These are the trends here. Okay, Good Friday. Yes, I know this one, and Good Friday, and we love that. The same thing we're talking. And also tweet value tell us the we love the earth was the most popular among the three. Result, yeah, already told that this among the three. If you check the tweet value, this one is the top of the remaining two trends. Yeah, pretty much my point. Right? Yeah, this is top. The same thing I wrote here. Yeah, just my observation I wrote here. You can add your own points here. That's not a problem. There are some trends which are unique to the US. Yeah, some trends are unique. Obviously, you will see that what is the unique one. You will see that. Okay. That's it about here. And now we explored already this point. We explored about the from the above output. Okay. Now we move to the we'll do some coding, because here the value which is I'm saying this is the what you call below the earth is I'm saying the top of the top. But first of all, all these values are not yet sorted. So we will do the sorting, and we will print the sorting output, so that we will get the idea of that. Okay. So I will sort the value, because to sort those things we need to use the one method called sorted. So before sorted, I will write first thing is this two are we need to check that what you call we need to convert these values as a tuple. Why do I need to convert tuple and those things I will call you. But this thing is when I'm saying this, what is the type of this what is the type of, we'll check this type of the EOS trends. What is the type it is? These two are, and if you check this is the EOS trend. Both are in a list. So from the list, there is in a list itself there is I mean, we have other values. So what I mean to say that here, everything here, this is the list. So on that list there is a trend. On that list, inner list is there. So we will dig into that. On the inner list, but we will need to explore all these values. We need to retrieve all these things. I mean, certain what is a name. I will retrieve the name and tweet value, so that we can sort that to tweet value. Yeah. So what I will do, first of all, what I will do, we will do the first. We will retrieve the names of that friend. This all the names. As I said, we will retrieve the names. Trend, trend. What is the trend? Trend, trends is equal to for what tweet from tweet I create one object from. I'm asking to www trends. I need to what value volume I need. I'm capturing all the volumes and also names. Volume. Yeah, that's not volume and name I'm capturing. So and from wtrends what I need in the first index what is the trends on the trends on the we need to I need to I'm writing one if condition, because in some tweets if you check there is a null is there, tweet value. So I need to ignore those null values. So what I need to do is instance one method is there, in instance of tweet of what value I need, which is tweet value should be, I'm expecting this should be int. That's it. Okay, if that is there, then I'm asking to retrieve its name and what I need to call here Twitter name and Twitter what I need Twitter. This two are not. So I got it. If you print this one, let's see, we'll get the. So we got this is a tuple. In a list there is a tuple sub. So we got all the trends and its value. So by using this code. So same thing I will write the US also, US trends also. So US trends, I'll copy this one, paste here, and I will make it as a US, and here also I'm using the US. So same thing, I will enter here, first list, yeah, I will paste here. Yes, there is the US trends. So if you see this one, we got the two trends. One is US trend and another is everybody trends. If you want to check both, you can check. Okay. Otherwise, it's not here. It's okay. Particularly lost. So we got the two. So from this, I will do what I will do. I need to sort these values, all the first step. So here all the values. So there is a which one is top, we need to find out. So what I will do, I need to write the one small code. So from that we will fetch that. First what I will do, first get the last key. Which is last key? This is the last key, right? This quit value is the last key. I need to get that. How to get that? Last I will use one method in that here n I'm passing here n of m and pass m all. It is return and function to sort the tuple. How to sort what I need to pass here. I need to pass tuple. T-U-P-L as tuples. Here we will write some code. We pass so yes, okay. So what we will do, return sorted one function, sorted, and that I will pass tuples and key. What is the key here? Key equal last, and I'm asking reverse 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 consent true. So if you're not aware about this one, please go to Google it and you will get the idea. Sort in Python. So here, if you see this one, they're going to see reverse why we need key, what is the use of key. They're going to explanation. Please go with that. Okay, that's what same thing I use. I'm using same thing. So then here first m is equal to 1. The position is 1. Tuple position m is equal to 1. Where this is the 0th index and 1th index. I need a 1th position. I'm expecting to 1th position should be sorted. And suppose I'm printing the print ww sorted. So from here, what I need to do, I will be print so sort of I'm passing this w vector. So here I pass this. Yeah, it is sorted. So black pin nx code is the it is more, it's having more quick value. After that there is a we love the earth is next one, and Hanuman Jayanti is next one, Good Friday is the next one. Like that we sorted. And same thing we will do the yes tenders. So yes 10 so yes 10 there is a earth. First is top is the earth is the most popular trend, and also after black king, then we love the earth. So then this key is the next so we sorted. We found that in this what we can conclude in the top list, one is common is we love the earth is the common from the both this thing, and another this thing is black, just black one, this one. Other thing is top list. Yeah, these two are common. Okay, we will find that which is the common, all from the all the things which is the common, we will find that. So first, what I need to do, we need to find the, from the both, we need to find the common, from both topics I need to find the common, which is the common trend. So for that I need to write the code, word, word, TLD and instance is equal to, so for trend win masking w, we have already, we have the object, right? ww trend here on that, from the 0 and trends is level T R E and instance. From that what I need, I need a trend of first name. Getting that first, from this I am picking all the names. Okay, same thing I need to do the penalty. From this also I need to, in this I need the common values, right? So I need to use the set data structure from the Python set. So same thing I'm using for another US transfers. US. From the both I need to get the common CO and common PRB and instance. Instance is equal to, from here what I need to, one method is there, intersection INTR intersection of this trend, US trend. Okay. Okay. From length of this common curve. What is the length? Yeah, there is a level. On that, if your common trends, if you see this, you can directly print this one. Yeah, there is 11 on there, right? Yeah. From that, these are the common trends from both the topics. So that's it. We first question we answer this one. From this we got the common trend from the both topics. Now we will explore the one of the, I already told that one of the hot trends, that is we love the year. You can suppose I took the we love the year. Suppose you want to work on this one. Better to copy this trend. Go to Firefox browser and copy here. Before clicking enter, better to refresh this one, delete all the other things and go to here and click and enter. Okay, now go to Explorer. See, the result is there, right? From that response, yeah, copy this response and work accordingly what you got and explore on that. Okay, that's it. Next, yeah, we got this one. So from this I will take the wheel of the year, we will explore that. Okay. So here we will load the data, like reads equal to JSON dot loads. And that we need to use open dot read. In this open we need to pass the file name. What file name? We need to pass the trends. Yes, this file. Here I'm passing this dot JSON. we will inspect the tweets. No such a sorry. Data sets slash. On that we will see the first two values. So if you see this one, first, better to go to here, Notepad++. So I open this one. So in this, we are working now this particular trends, tweets. Every tweet having its own data. So if you, especially when it comes to the trend, there is a text is there, user is there, tweet status is there, language, retweet count. So our first, initially I told that what we are investigating. I'm going to answer a few questions as I said. So in our first, initially I told that we are answering this question first. Find the influence states, and all these questions are what are the up to here. If I develop the one data table, I can give the answers for all these questions. I will do that. You will get the idea. So first we need to capture from this. We need to capture followers, retweets, favorites. For particular favorite, who is the person, who is retweeting, what's the text. I will capture all the things first. After that we will do other things. Okay, but these questions from A, B, C, I will do now. So first I need to capture the name and also name, and here what we see, name, screen name, and hashtags. So here, okay, hashtags is there under here in this is the hashtag text. Then screen name is there under user mentions. So here the screen name. Okay, then the text. These three things we capture and we will do that our investigation. So see. So first text I'm capturing. Text text is equal to for loop for tweet in tweets particular tweets, yeah. And that what I need, again I need to for loop. I use the for loop for user. I'm capturing the user mention, this values, user screen name I'm capturing, so that I need to go to here. So there is a entities user mentions is there, right? So I will do that. So on that user underscore mention and in tweet. This tweet I'm talking. In this tweet I'm asking to get the values. What values I need? I'm navigating to the first entitled. There is entitled. There is entitled. Under that I need a hashtag. What is the hashtag? Hashtag. Okay. And that hashtag. So no, sorry. This is user mention. Entitles. Under that entitled users. And that hashtag. Yeah, users. That's it. Users. So from this I'm expecting from this what I need, user mentions, what I need from here, what a value I need a screen. So I capture this screen. You understood it? That's it. From this same thing I will. I'm sorry, extremely sorry, I'm confusing you because this is user, this is names, and this is text type. For the text directly we can capture the text. Directly we can capture tweet just confused on that. I need a text TXT. From here I need to capture the. Please follow this comments so that it will be easy to work on this thing. So here I'm using the hashtags. I need to capture the hashtags and titles. From here I will use the end titles. From here I will use the text. This text, but I will change the name as hashtag. This name is hash underscore tag. Here same thing, I will copy to here from this hashtag. This also and hashtags. Okay, I will compile this one here. So I will see this one is text and names. I want to see three things at a time, so I will zip this one. How to do zip? Zip first highlight and the list zip, and that I will pass these three values so that we can talk more, we can conclude more points on this. Okay, hashtags are there. Okay. So see this, we can talk more things. I mean, already two things I wrote here. One is a lot of big artists are behind this feed, especially DDDC. So if you check this one first values, or else I will copy this entire thing. I will copy entire things. I will paste here. Already pasted maybe here. This one already pasted. If you check this one, you will get the idea. So the first person, this guy, lazy kids, love it. We love the earth. Okay, and also we have especially what we can talk. This guy is the, we can say this guy is an artist. Can directly say that. So that suppose this music is released on 19th April, and also okay, Leonardo DiCaprio is the environmentalist, so his name also there under this Love on Earth. Yeah, okay, yeah, we can talk like this, and most of the artists are. Yeah, we check this one, Leonardo DiCaprio. This guy, he's the environmentalist. I mean, environmentalist, and certain things are there, and you can check. We are just see this guy, and we can talk more on this one. This is basically this we can using this result output. We can talk these people, most of the people talking about the love on earth, and especially artists, especially these people are releasing the one audio on the environment on 19th April. The thing also what we saw in this output. Okay, yeah, from this we can conclude those things. And also now, yeah, same thing I wrote here. You can write your own comments more on what you saw. I mean, by your observation, you can write here. Okay, I'm going to the next question. Next these things I need to work on one of the counter part. Okay, I need to count the how many times it is repeated in a this thing feeds. So you need to use the collections import counter, COUNTR counter. Okay, suppose in a hashtag especially, I will develop on one code here. You will get the idea. Right? Item in these two. One is name, and another is hashtags. Hashtags. Yeah. From here, I'm asking to C is equal to COUNT counter of item item and print C dot most common of top 10. I'm asking here. So slash counter most sorry common is spelling mistake here. Okay, see this. In these two names and host tags, which are the most popular? Here, first, if you take the first three, little DC tweets are more one or two is there. After Leon DiCaprio 44. After this one, remaining these values. So I can say Lily tweets and Lily DC tweets more, and also host tags, especially we love it. There are 313 are there. Remaining is very normal. There less count is there, but we can say this. These tweets are talking about the love on earth. Host tags, more host tags are about the love on earth, and the people who are names are most popular. Names are these things. Lily DC tweets are more in this article, in this trade. So same thing I wrote here. A lot of big artists are behind these tweets, especially these two are especially. And more hashtags about talking about love and earth here. So these 2 points I wrote here. So next thing is I'm talking about one of the most important. Up to now we see certain. We investigated few of the points. We will see the remaining. I'm talking about the earlier. We're talking about recount, how many times the recount is for the one tweet, and also what is the favorite count and followers. With all these things we can see. So let's further analyze the data to find the pattern in the activity around the tweet. Did all the retweets occur around a particular retweet? We need to answer this question. And another question. Another thing, I have certain other point. If a tweet has been retweeted, retweet status field gives many interesting details about the original tweet itself and its author. Okay, this is one of the interesting point. We can measure a tweet popular by analyzing the retweet count and favorite count fields. But let's also extract the number of followers of the tweeter. We have a lot of celebs in this picture, so can we tell if they're advocating for we love the earth influence a significant proportion of their followers? Yeah, these points now we will work. First, it's basically asking about, once we develop one data table, we can conclude all these questions. So first of all, I will extract the few of the things. One is recount, favorite count, followers count, screen name especially, and text. Okay, so for that I will do one retweet. Retweets is equal to, so where it is for tweet in tweets. Okay, I'm asking, I'm doing one if condition here. It's what value here. I'm expecting that if this contains, we are talking about the retweet status, right? So give me a second. Retweet status. Yeah, retweet status. We'll take this one. If it contains, I'm capturing all the values in tweet. Then only I will capture all my required values. What required values I will capture right here. One is tweet of under retweet status. There is a retweet count. on the retweet status. You see this one. Here you can favorite count is there, and also for retweet count, I capture the retweet count, and also and as favorite count, either the favorite count is there, and also so under user, so under user, you see this one. Under user, I need a certain screen name and favorite count. Okay, we will capture this one. Under user, same thing I will copy. Same copy here. Under user, there is favorite count and also screen. So next, what I need, then I need a text. Okay, I need to use comma. Okay. So we got all the values in the retweets. So to prepare the data table, I need to import the pandas. Import pandas as in. And I'll create one data frame, pd dot data FRA and frame. And that I will pass this to retweet. And that I need to use column COLUMNS columns equal to what columns I need? First, retweet, column, followers, favorite, comma, favorite. This is followers, right? Somewhere I made a mistake here. Not this. Anyway, followers count. Not favorite count. This is followers. So I created the data frame here. I use the retweets, and for the column names, the other column names I need group by. I'm using these group by values. Some sort values, followers, I'm passing the ascending first. So I will print that df.sty for the style dot background backgro background and also it's taking time now. Sorry, I made a spelling mistake. Now it should display. Yes, we got the values. From this, we can conclude a lot of or to cover a lot of scenarios. We can come to a lot of points here. So if you see this one, by mouse, okay, see this. There is a more followers are there for this Katy Perry. These many followers after this. The line shows that these many followers are there. These many followers are there, and also especially for the Leonardo DiCaprio, he is the environmentalist, so he have the more retweets when he is tweeting. He has more retweets and also for favorites also there, and followers also huge for him. And yeah, we can say, and also when come to the you see this one, some of the things. Yeah, same thing here. The retweets, but he has more followers, but retweets and followers are very favorites are very less here. And also for him, retweets are very less, but favorites are very high. For Leonardo DiCaprio, and there is two things. One is for these two, but this thing is having more retweets and favorites. Okay, for this we can conclude like this, and we will do one more thing, one more scenario, and for that we will plot one. So especially when you see this thing, I already told that here, if I go to here, give 1 second, it's loading. Yeah, there is a language is there. We will do the bar chart one data visualization. We will do the data visualization using the bar chart. What language they are using while creating? So we will do that. So first thing, I need to capture the language from this JSON. So directly we can go to the every trend. We can every tweet we can directly capture this value. So like earlier we did the text tag, same thing. So I'll go to here. First thing, I'll capture the language. Tweet underscore language is equal to something right here. So what language they are using, right? We can write like this. So for tweet in top of that, what is there? Tweeting tweets. What is the tweets? Top of tweets. Or else we can check this tweet on that. There is a tweets. On that, there is a will create one list. That list should be. This is the list. Okay. I need to store all my. I need to append tweet language. I will append all my values into this list. So append A, P, P, E, and append in this tweet. On that, I need to pass the name and the name. So we pass the name. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Here. Okay. From here, we will how many times the values are repeating. We will explore that. So for that, so please earlier what I use here. Same thing I will contact. So saying something I will do the contact info. So here we'll pass the language. Something to pass here. So here item contact just so people are using English language more compared to other languages. I don't know what's a PLIT, but I can say this IT is much in Italian, Spanish, but PL is Portugal, I think. Okay, this language they are using for retailing, but when you plot this one, I will use the plot import store as PL. Okay. On that I need to use my matplotlib inline here for plt dot hs hist. I need to pass this value. Which value I need to pass? This one. So if you pass this one, it will be zero. Yes. Check this one. English, they are using English language more compared to other languages. So next we will do the source. So here source, what source they are using to tweaking. So here I already told that here they are using one source is there, right? After meta there is source. Yeah, this source is there, right? They are using Android phone. So to get this Twitter for Android, I need to fetch. I need to fetch. First I need to capture this value. After that I need to remove this one, and also I need to remove end of this one. This prefix and suffix I need to remove using. So we will do the one split command. So like I will do that. We will same thing earlier what I did here. So something like I'll do that, but now it's source. Copy here. That's where you are source. Sources or source? What is that, right? Source. And from this, if I split this one, split with, I will use this one. And on that I will capture the second unit here, first index. From that again I will do split. For split I will use this bracket. From that I will capture the 0th index. I will follow this. So again I go to here. So here I ran this one again. Source of things here. Source from here. Source counter. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Yes, this is what Twitter iPhone 256 remaining Android 232 web. See here two devices. One is Android and Android mobile. I don't know what the device. iPhone device and Android device they are using more compared to other devices. So this is the result. So for that also we can plot like earlier what I use. So plot here I'm using the what called text source, right? Yes, yes. This is the plot. One is Android phone, one is iPhone. Another thing is that I need to find out the relation between retweet and favorite. So for that directly we have the object that is saying that one is we have the retweet side. Earlier what we did. So same thing from here. Earlier we have it retweet, right? So some retweet count equal to here. First thing is that what I need here 0. What is the top? I'll show you that one for the T in what is that? This thing and first index from this retweets, yes, and also from the retweets I'll take the second index. What is there in the first index and second index? So here first index we have a liquid count, and also second index we have favorite count. We will find a relation between these things. So already we found that. Then I will use this vector plot. SC A is vector plot. On this I need to pass the favorite count, and so this is read count. This is favorite. Favorite count. Yeah, there is a positive relationship in between liquid count and favorite count. Yeah, this is about this project. We explore a lot of things. We dig into the deep into the trends, and that the trends we what are the tweets are there. We explore all the lot of things we did, and we explore the especially retweet count and forward followers. What are the what are the followers count and favorite counts and retweet counts, and we did the a certain investigation on that. We found certain points, important points on the data, and later we plotted the what language are they are using while tweeting, and also what source, what devices, what source they are using to tweet while tweeting. So those things we found using the plots, and also finally we explored the what is the relation between tweets and the retweet count and favorites count. Lastly we see that there is a positive relationship that is, and also we did all the exploration, and that's it in this project. Yeah, we did a lot of things in this project. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, please post in this below video. I'm right here to comment or give the answers to your questions. Yeah, nice. Thank you.